Good morning. Continuing with our series of management tips, I recall an incident during my working in Awarpur Cement Works. That was the time most of you may be aware that a cement plant, kilns, and mills are taken for major overhaul, typically once in a year or once in 1.5 years. And everything gets stopped and the whole plant gets maintained. We used to call it shutdown. It used to take about 3 weeks of complete stoppage, and that's how it goes. And the planning for the shutdown starts much earlier. All the materials have to be arranged, and work has to be planned, and the charts of the planning are displayed at all places. Work to be done parallelly, work to be done sequentially, and optimizing the total time. It's a big process in any cement plant, and so I presume in all other process plants. Sometimes, based on the work that is to be done, we also have to get heavy-duty cranes for getting some jobs done. And these heavy-duty cranes are not freely available. So to plan and book well in advance, and they would be at various sites in the country, and you'll have to tie up and ensure that they come. So in one of the shutdowns, we have tied up the required heavy-duty cranes. These normally come in disassembled condition in various trailers, 2-3 trailers. And we tied up with an agency, and at this point of time, these cranes were available in a site near Calcutta. And he promised that from Calcutta to our place, he would be able to bring in about 10 days' time. And we also got information that it started from there. And so we were able to tell our operations team that, yes, now you can take the plant for shutdown, and the cranes have started, so they will arrive in 10 days' time. Accordingly, the operations guys also have planned their work. Most of you may know that there will be a cooling period. The plant gets stopped, and it takes about 2 to 3 days before all these hot equipment get cooled. So my crane can come, and now that we've got a confirmation from crane coming, the plant has been stopped. Mind you, these are the days where there were no mobiles and all that, no GPS. So we were waiting for the crane to come, and 10 days over, the crane didn't turn up. But the plant has already been stopped for the last 3 days. And there's a huge pressure on us. And end of the day, the whole of the shutdown got extended. Crane did come, but came about 2-3 days delayed, and the whole of the shutdown got extended. And one of the major reasons is the delayed arrival of the crane. So we were obviously disappointed. So the next shutdown, when it had come, and again, a similar large work had to be done, and heavy-duty cranes were required. This time, we were a bit more cautious, and I given the job to one of the boys, saying that this time we should ensure that what happened last time, that delay should not happen. So we have told the operations guys that this time we will not give clearance based on what we hear. We will only give clearance for stoppage of plant for cooling only after seeing the crane trailers with our eyes. So it was well appreciated, and this time also the crane was coming. It crossed Nagpur, and it was coming to our plant through a place called Vani. And our boys have actually gone and seen the crane, the trolleys, and they have crossed Vani. So they've informed me that it is there. Now it is just about 20 kilometers from our place. I had confirmed to operations guys that yes, here it is available, and it should be available at our plant in about 3 hours time max, and a day for a day and a half to assemble those cranes. So therefore, it's all right to possibly start the cooling of the factory by stopping. The boy whom I gave the responsibility came to me smiling and trying to tell me how he completed the job, and all smiles from end to end. And I also felt that yes, we should celebrate this wonderfully done job. Well, we gave clearance, plant has stopped, and now we are waiting for the crane to arrive. After all, next couple of hours. Then one of the boys rings me up and says, there's a problem. We said, what happened? As the crane trailer was coming and crossing one railway gate, it has hit one of those barriers and damaged. Now, railways will not allow this trailer to move forward unless they have some procedure, permission, and therefore this got stuck at the nearest near one of those railway gates nearby. So, the procedure is that they had to go to the headquarters, take permission from them, probably switch off the power for some time, and their people will have to come and attend to this, and we are stuck. And I looked at that guy, Bhaiya, tum to you all laughed a bit too early. We should have waited till the job is complete, till the time it has arrived in our premises. It got stuck. The whole thing got delayed by another 12 hours or 15 hours. We could get the permission and they moved it. But, the message is that, we have celebrated that before the job is complete. I think that is something which one should avoid. I think what would happen is that sometimes even before the completion of the job, so many things can go wrong. And therefore, just wait till the job is complete. Yesterday, I was watching a cricket match of IPL between Delhi and Bangalore. There's one bowler who is bowling very well with the name Avesh Khan, bowling the last over. And I think 14 runs were required in that over. And I think that guy gave 4 runs first ball, 2 runs second ball, 1 leg by third ball, and 1 dot ball, fourth ball. So with the result, then you require, something like 8 runs in the balance 2 balls, right? So, it was sort of easy. So Avesh Khan, still there are a couple of more balls to go, but he started smiling, laughing, mockingly at the batsman. 8 runs required. And I think the whole team also started relaxing, actually. Job is not complete. And actually the commentator, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, was even saying that time that till the last ball is bowled, the match is not over. Why is this guy grinning so early? As it turned out, the next ball, there was a mishit. It went to the mid-wicket. Akshar Patel was supposed to field. He fielded relaxedly. So instead of 1 run, he misfielded and ended up giving 2 runs. Now 6 runs required for the last ball. And this guy, Avesh Khan, goes and bowls a wide. So now 5 runs required on the last ball. And that batsman hit a 6 of that ball and Delhi lost the match. So that grinning, that relaxing before the job is fully complete, I think reminded me of the earlier crane incident that we had. So the tip of the day, management tip of the day is that please ensure the job is complete, done and dusted. Only then you start, relaxing or celebrating. Don't do it before actually it's complete. Thank you for hearing.